Okay, so this time we'll see how to set up our node mailer. Now you can use any kind of email service provider, and this time I'm going to use actually Google. So make sure that you are logged in. Now I'm already logged in over here, and then over here I'll go and check my manage your Google account. All right, and then I'm going to click on this security. All right, and then two steps verification, and after that we're gonna click get started. And of course here we're going to type in our password, so the one that I have over here. So let's go ahead and do that and click next. All right, so that's the verification is done, and then let's click over here. Now it wants me to type in my phone number, so what I'm going to do, as I'm in China, so I'm gonna do that. All right, you might not need that. It depends on whether you set it up before or not. Okay, all right, so it's gonna send me a verification message, and then I should be able to get that. Looks like I didn't get it, so I'm gonna click on resend. Okay, well, this time I got it, so I'm gonna use this. So click next. All right, turn on. And we're gonna go down at the bottom, and here, click on this one, app password, and give it a name, Foodly, or anything you want, and create. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and copy this. Done. And then here you're gonna be here and paste it here. Remove the spaces, we don't need that. And then over here we're going to replace this with our email account, the one that we just have used to do the verification, two-step verification. Now with this, it would be connected with our node mailer, the one that actually we are using for sending email verification. Okay, the code is there. All right. Okay, so since the setup is done, now we'll go ahead and check it. Of course, I have done it already, so that's why you can see that over here it says verification email sent successfully, but we're going to do it together. Make sure that your email address and password is correct. All right, okay, now I'm going to go to my Flutter app, and I'm going to restart it from the scratch. Okay, so we do a registration, and then we'll see that whether we get email verification or not. All right, so the app is running, right? And then now we're gonna go here, log in, and click on register, and then give it a name. All right, say I give myself name Foodie, and then use a real email address that is active and you are using. Okay, all right, so I'm using either Gmail, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's up to you. All right, okay. Now, of course, here we're gonna type in our email address and a password, and then here we're going to do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right. So right now, over here, it wants you to type in your verification code, and then over here we are going to actually check our email whether we have gotten it or not. So here I do see that Foodly verification code, and this is the code that I've gotten over here, 464546. Okay, so this is what I'm going to type in. So let's go ahead and do that. So 464546. 546. So now let's go ahead and click. Beautiful. So it took us over here, and we do see that it's working, and as well as we also see that this is our email address over here. So that's how you go ahead and set up your node mailer with the Flutter app as well as your Node.js.